If anyone's thinking about solar, I can't recommend Unified Solar enough, both personally and professionally. They've been great to deal with and the outcomes have been amazing. I'm Kelly Noble from Glam Adelaide. The whole process from start to finish has been really, really quick. I think we met about it, I signed a contract that was emailed through to me, and then the install happened when I wasn't even home. It was that easy. We got the solar panels on the roof finally, which was really exciting for us. But we knew that we could get a lot more out of it, I guess, if we had a battery. We were really happy with the SunGrow solution that we were recommended, and it's been really, really good for us so far. Quite amazing actually, the whole process of installing the battery, learning about what we needed and getting it actually installed and up and running and making us money. And I think we've already made $500 in the first couple of weeks, so it's been really good. As part of our journey into solar and into all of the new technology, we've also now just picked up our first electric vehicle. So we've got the Mini Countryman, which has been really exciting. It's really cheap to charge, but we're also looking at a SunGrow EV charger for the house and looking at how that could work because, I mean, you can't get more convenient than that. The rebate and the timing was perfect, and I guess the way that Carly and Rocco explained it to us made a lot of sense for us to go ahead and make the jump.